Airlaw CPL exam questions. Today we are going to study 91.1 general provisions. Question 1 Part 91 applies to 1. Aircraft operated within the Republic, whether registered in South Africa or in a foreign country. 2. Aircraft registered in the Republic and operated internationally. 3. Persons acting as crew members in the Republic. 4. Persons who are on board an aircraft operated under this Part. 5. Crew members licensed in terms of these regulations, whether operating a South African or foreign registered aircraft. The correct answer is answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Question 2. The final authority as to the disposition of the aircraft has the pilot in command. Question 3. No owner or operator shall permit the taxiing of, and no person shall taxi an aircraft on the movement areas of an aerodrome unless the person at the controls of the aircraft, 1. is the holder of a valid pilot license, 2. has received instruction in the taxiing of an aircraft from, and has been declared competent to taxi an aircraft by holder of a flight instructor's rating, or in the case of a foreign aircraft, a person authorized by an appropriate authority. 3. If a person uses a radio apparatus, such person is authorized to use the radio apparatus. 4. Is conversant with the aerodrome layout, routes, signs, markings, lighting, air traffic service signals and instructions, phraseology and procedures, if required, and is able to perform to the standards required for safe movements at such aerodrome, provided the aircraft does not enter the maneuvering area in a case where radio communication is mandatory. The correct answer is the answer number 1, 2, 3, and number 4. If a person is admitted to the flight deck, that person must be fully briefed on all safety equipment before being allowed to sit somewhere with access to the controls. Question 5. Admission to the flight deck is permitted if the person is made familiar with all safety equipment and pertinent operational procedures. Question 6. No owner, operator, or pick of an aircraft or person shall permit the operation of or operation on board the aircraft during flight time any portable electronic device which may adversely affect the performance of the systems and equipment of the aircraft. This does not apply to an electric shaver. Question 7. No owner, operator, or pick of an aircraft or person shall permit the operation of or operation on board the aircraft during flight time any portable electronic device which may adversely affect the performance of the systems and equipment of the aircraft. This does not apply to hearing aids. Question 8. What time is to be used for all flight operations? Universal Coordinated Time, known as Zulu time. Question 9. A time check shall be obtained prior to takeoff. Question 10. The time used in aviation is Coordinated Universal Time. Question 11. If a medical certificate holder must use corrective lenses while operating as a member of the flight crew, a spare pair of suitable corrective lenses must be carried on all flights. The last question, question number 12. If a person shows up under the influence at your aircraft, will you allow this person on board? Student feedback required. C. Explanation. No, because he might jeopardize the safety of the aircraft.